Hi friends, we are from Raj Floors Bath and Kitchen and my name is Nishant. Today we are making a video regarding the spindles, bottom shoe, top caps and bar connectors. And for a start, like people usually go with the starting spindle. They ask like what is the starting spindle and how much does it cost? So my friends, let me tell you the starting spindle for any house is the plain spindle. These spindles start from $3.50. Yes, you heard me right. This starts from $3.50. We have variety of spindles over here. We have like more than 25 designs. And it starts from $3.50, goes up to like $14.99. Yes, we have variety of these things. And to be particular about these things, the plain spindles are for $3.50, as I told you earlier. People are nowadays going with knuckles as well, a single knuckle and a double knuckle. Single knuckle at our store starts from $6.50 and the double knuckle design is for $7.50. Other than these ones, people are nowadays buying the bucket design. The single bucket at our store is $6.99 and the double bucket is for $7.99. After that, people are nowadays even going with the rectangles one. These are approximately for $12.50. These spindles goes up to $14.99. Now the second thing we're going to be covering in this video are the bottom shoe. The bottom shoe are very much required to hide the connection between the thread as well as the spindle, right? And at our store, the flat bottom shoe are for $1.59. Yes, you heard me right. It is for $1.59. And we have like a variety of these bottom shoes. Like you can have a flat one, you can have one with an angle. You can have these for square spindles and round spindles as well. And the prices varies as per the design. The third thing we're going to be covering is the top shoe. You need something to connect your spindles with the handrail, right? So if you have a metal blade beneath your handrail, you're going to be needing a pincer, and the pincer is for like 50 cents only. If you don't have a metal blade beneath your handrail, you're going to be needing a top cap connector. And we have like two varieties in these. One is the swivel one and the second one is the straight one. And the swivel one is for $2.59 and the straight one is the same, have the same price, that is for like $2.59 as well. People who doesn't want to put, the fourth thing we're going to be covering is the people who doesn't want to install the spindles. What they can do is they can use these kind of connectors against their wall and put a handrail onto this, and we have this in stock as well. The fifth thing and the main important and the most important thing at our store is we also sell spindles which are of a copper color. Like I don't think in Brampton anybody is selling these kind of spindles anymore, but we do have these in stock with the company, and the prices for these varies from design to design. But these things starts from $4. The plain one is for $4. And these things goes up to like $16 or $17 as well. So, and for these things, we even have the bottom shoe connectors and the top caps in copper color only, which matches your spindle. So I hope I was able to cover all the topics in the spindles and the connectors and the bottom shoe and the top caps. I hope my information was useful to you, and I wish I see you guys at my store. Whenever you think of buying any spindle or connectors or anything, you can totally come to our store, have a look for the spindles, which are you looking for, and we can give you a good deal with these. Like whatever we are selling on a contractor price, right? So guys, come to our store and buy these spindles. See you around. Have a nice day. Bye.